Dude, it is chilly out today. So I think last night we got a little bit of snow up in the higher elevations. So I'm just gonna run out and see what I can run into. So this is Lee's Creek. It's kind of a really cool little area. It sort of has its own like community feel to it. And if you actually go out far enough, out at the end of this road, there's the old China ditch from the 1800s. Basically a ditch that rerouted water about 20 miles or so. Oh, there's a dog. There's a dog. No, but this old ditch rerouted water along the side of the mountain, and then they used it for like mining to like blast the side of the mountains or something. Oh, I could already see some frost up in the trees off in the distance. Oh, I think I'm seeing some snowflakes. Very tiny, but snowflakes nonetheless. The thermometer is saying we're right above 30 degrees, so we are hitting freezing temperatures, and it's starting to feel like it. Yeah, look at this. We're already hitting snowflakes, and we got quite a ways to go to the top of the mountain. Ooh, I hope my camera lens is staying clear. Can you see all this? Woo, it's chilly. Man, it's snowing, baby. It is snowing. Ow, 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 ow. It's hitting my eyes now. Ooh. Okay, I think this is the branch. Here we go. Man, my camera ran out of battery right at the worst time. And of course I had to put my batteries in my dry bag, so I had to basically undo all the bungees, take off the dry bag, open it up, pull out the drone, get to the camera bag behind the drone, pull out my batteries, swap out a good battery. Okay, everything is all good to go now. I put my other spare batteries in my tank bags. Whew, I'm getting hungry. I kind of wish... Oh, is my... my bike is dead. What the fuck? What'd I do? Oh god, what did I do? This battery's still good. Did I just blow a fuse? Hopefully I just blew a fuse. And I can bypass it by kickstarting. Oh. I wonder if I should check the fuse really quick just in case. You know, I have not had an issue with this bike for so long that is bound to have something go wrong eventually. This is a 25-year-old bike. It's been too reliable. Oh, yep, the fuse is burnt. Wonder what happened. Let's see if that'll at least... Yep, that's the issue. Just a burnt fuse. But just because I put in a new fuse doesn't mean the issue is solved. I had this issue in the past with another bike. It turned out to be just like a short somewhere in the electrical, and it took forever for me to figure it out. So anyways, now that we got that situated, continue onwards. Alrighty. See how far we could even get through this stuff anyways. This is really pretty. It'd be cool to get some drone shots out here, but it is just like so foggy that I don't even know if anything would show up. Well, here we go. Yep, look at this view. You can see for miles. Yep. Miles, I say. The fuse blew again. Well, fuck, dude, that's frustrating. What is blowing the fuse? Yeah, usually you could see, because like Dodson Butte is a big pointy mountain that's usually straight ahead. And you can see that mountain for just like miles from down in the valleys. Look, it's kind of clearing out over here. Ooh, this is really pretty. Maybe I should get a drone shot of this. Yeah, might as well since I'm up here. Okay. I tried to fly the drone. I had a clearing in the weather for a second. Man, as soon as I started getting the drone up in the air, just the snow started coming in so heavy. And then the wind was blowing, and then the phone was like, the flight app was like, I don't know, like crashing or something. Like the screen would just like turn off and exit out of the app. Thankfully I still had control of the drone, but it's just like flying in sideways. Oh, dude. It is cold. Oh, dude, it's like 28 degrees up here. It's supposed to just snow for the rest of the night, pretty much too. And it's supposed to get down to 1,000 feet. So this snowstorm that I'm in right now is not going to be letting up anytime soon. Okay. Oh, dude, all this snow is just going right around my visor, straight up into my eyes. Sure is pretty though, isn't it? There we go. At least now in the trees it'll block a little bit of the snow. What's crazy is that it is like 25 degrees, I think it says on the thermometer. Yeah, I'm pretty toasty. For how cold it is, like I'm pretty toasty. I feel pretty good. My fingertips are a little cold, but nothing like debilitating. I just want to shake one of these freaking... Haha. I don't know why I did that. Oh, you know what? I really want to go up the rest of the way. Should I try to get up there? I don't think it'll be too bad. It's been a while. I can't remember how far up you have to go to get to the top section up here. The snow is still... It's not too bad yet. Have decent traction in it. I just don't want to push my luck either, though. Especially with how freaking unlucky I've already been today. Drone's not wanting to work. The bike is blowing fuses. What could possibly happen next? Oh, fuck. Oh, fuck. Holy shit, dude. Didn't get a full shift. Popping into neutral. Try to put my visor down and it's completely fogged up. Boy, is it an adventure today. Ooh, this is like icy. Baby. Woo! Oh, as soon as you get into this clearing, it's just a side mash of wind. Holy shit. I wonder if you guys can see this. It's just like flying straight sideways. Straight into my face. Ugh. This is a little insane. Okay. Let's get into this tree line and find a good place without snow. Oh, look at this. Perfect little block. Oh, man, dude, this is actually pretty crazy. Man, look at this. This is like a decent 2-3 inches. It is like, fuck, like 10-15 minutes. I think sunset's at like 5:30, maybe like 5:40. We might have like 20 minutes until sunsets. And as soon as that sun goes down, like, it gets dark quick when it's cloudy like this. I do want to ride through that little section down there, though. Kind of looks fun. Maybe. Woo! I wonder if I could go like all the way around. Can I go through this? Oh, there's like a little trail right there. Oh, I'm sliding. I'm sliding. I'm losing traction. Change of course. Change of course, because my back end washed out so much that I started going sideways. Whew. Okay, so this is a little crazy, but man, am I having a blast. Whew. I love coming up in the snow. I can't even see my tire tracks from on my way up here. That was just like 10 minutes ago. Well, the snow is slowing down. The roads are clearing up. I think I'm through the roughest part of it. It's all just downhill cruising from here. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video.